Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video we will be learning 5 new words of the day, which is 13th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. Before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos for your exam preparation. Also, do take up a free mock test for any banking or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. So, the first term for today is invoke. I-N-V-O-K-E. Now, invoke means cite or appeal to someone or something as an authority for an action or in support of an argument. So if you are supporting an argument, you try to appeal to someone who holds an authority and you try to get it sorted soon. So few of the synonyms are cite, refer to, adduce or instance. Okay, usage is his incompetent leadership made it necessary for the rebels to invoke the help of France. So that means a leader who was incompetent or who was not strong enough as a leader sort of pushed the rebels to appeal and take help from France. The next term is rescind. R-E-S-C-I-N-D, which means to revoke, cancel or repeal. That means we want to sort of change something that is there, or we want to just end the particular thing that is prevailing right now. So the usage is the government eventually rescinded the directive that it issued last year, which means that the directive that was issued by the government last year has been repealed or has been cancelled eventually. The next term is rhetoric, which is oratory or eloquence or power of speech or command of language. So someone who has a good command over their language. And few of the synonyms are boastfulness or someone who's boasting or bragging. Now the usage is we all have from the opposition is an empty rhetoric. So that means what we are trying to say is whatever they are saying is not true, or they're just boasting about what they have done. So in all the say countries, whenever there are elections happening, so all the parties do say that whatever the opposition party is saying is rhetoric. The next term is triumvirate. Okay, so it is triumvirate, which means a group of 3 powerful or notable people or things. So that means 3 people come together and they are really powerful and they've done something which is very good or something very different or unique. So the synonyms are tri or trilogy. The usage is the company is run by a triumvirate of 3 executive vice presidents. That means that these executive vice presidents, who are 3 in number, are really powerful to take the company to next heights. And the last term for today is unambiguous, which means not open to more than one interpretation. That means whatever we are saying is very clear-cut, definite and definitive or explicit. So the usage is instructions should be succinct and unambiguous. That means they should not have more than one interpretation. They should be very clear, cut and crisp. Well, those were the 5 words that we've learned today. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary across various channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.